Hello, Dr. Dick Doofus here, and welcome to Quokka University, aka Quokka U. Today we're going to be discussing how to get you set up on Discord. Discord is like a social platform where it provides free text, voice, and video capabilities. It's used across the world. There are tens of millions of people using this platform today. It allows you to talk and hang out with your communities and friends. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to discord.com, discord.com. We're already on the website right now. So as you can see, you can either download the app by clicking here, or if you'd rather, you can just open up Discord in your browser by clicking on this button over here, Open Discord. So if you're new to Discord, what you're going to want to do is register a new account by clicking here, Register. And then you're going to put in your email address and create a username and password.
A few moments later.
Now it's going to want to know if I'm human. I'm going to click on I am human. And now it's going to ask me to prove it. Please click each image containing a living room. Now it's going to ask me to verify, so I'm going to click on the Start Verification Process. It's going to ask me to verify by email. I'm going to open up my phone, go to my email.
One eternity later.
So after you've registered, it's going to ask you if you want to create a server or join a server. We're going to join a server. You can do it here if you know the invite for the server. We're just going to go to Tribe Quokka's website and we're going to click on the Discord link in that website. So most websites, if they're participating in Discord, will have a social link for you to get to their server. Our server is all the way at the bottom. You go through the Tribe Quokka website. All right, so once you've scrolled all the way to the bottom, you'll see all of our social links. You click on the Discord icon right here, and it's gonna bring up our server, and you're going to want to accept the invite. Once you do that, it's gonna open up the Discord app. So every Discord server requires you to verify yourself in some way, shape, or form. For Tribe Quokka's server, you're gonna wanna click on Complete. In order to get into our server, you're gonna have to verify your phone number, agree to these server rules. So there you have it. You're inside Tribe Quokka's Discord server. You're gonna wanna notice a couple of things. Underneath the Tribe Quokka graphic, on the left-hand side, you are going to see quite a few links. These links are called channels, and each channel has different information and people that are talking and participating in the Discord server. So if you keep going down, you'll see announcements, right? If you click on announcements, which is the channel we're currently on, this is where Tribe Quokka gives all major announcements about what's going on in the project. If you keep scrolling down, you'll see a bunch of other links. Official links, which is all of the other socials and website addresses for everything Tribe Quokka provides to the NFT community. If you keep scrolling down, you're gonna see a bunch of other channels. So when you're in these channels, you can participate by clicking on the channel. We're gonna go into the Quokka Den. And you'll notice there are a bunch of people already talking to each other. If you scroll down to the bottom, you can just click on message right here and type in your own message to the community. Let's just say GM. We'll see if we get a response. So there's a lot of other things that we could be showing you right now, but this is a very basic overview of how to get connected to Discord and start to participate. Now you'll notice on the left-hand side, you can join other servers. Tribe Quokka isn't the only Discord server out there. There are hundreds, if not thousands of them. So you can always join other servers by clicking on that plus sign and finding the server that you want to join, or going to their website or Twitter account and finding the Discord link and clicking on it. You can also leave servers if you don't want to participate in that server anymore. All you got to do is go up here and click on that caret, and you'll see leave server. We're not going to leave Tribe Quokka server because it's the best. So thanks for watching Quokka University. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day and long live Tribe Quokka.